Okay, so persons were asking. I did a video a few days ago and briefly spoke about this natural bark, tree bark, and persons were asking about it. So I get these to buy in the local market. It's called bitter bark or bitter wood chip, right? And it's used for detoxing, cleansing of the gut, as in removing solid waste from the gut. But you can do your own research on it. So you can look up for bitter bark or bitter wood chip and look at the health benefits. It's not something that it's not suggested that you feed on this like something that you consume every day. So I guess maybe no more than 5 days or a week, 7 days, and then give your body a break because you don't want to flush too much out of your system in terms of nutrients and minerals and so forth. But this bark, I can tell you that from personal use, it has helped with the reduction of belly. I don't know if it's fat, but the reduction of the size of the stomach. It gives energy, and it helps with overall flushing of the kidneys. You notice the changing in the color of your urine, it's more clear and so forth. So I think it's a very good source of detox. So for persons who are looking for a source of detox, this is very good. So what you do is you boil the water. For this, like a piece of this, you can cut it in half, wash it, place it in a cup. So I actually had mine already. So you place it in a cup, and then you pour the hot water in it. You can cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes and leave it to steep. And then when it's cool, because it is bitter, so when it's cold or cool, it's the best way to drink it. Persons advise that you can actually, like other herbalists. I'm not a herbalist, let me put my disclaimer out there, just somebody who likes to use natural remedies and so forth. But persons who have used this would have said that you can leave it in the fridge. So you can boil a portion, you can steep a portion of it, leave it in the fridge, but I rather to do it every day. You can actually do this twice per day. So this is something that you can consume in the morning and you can consume it in the evening. It will stimulate bowel movement, but not in a violent way. And say about after using it for a week, you will feel the difference in your body after using this. So check it out.